This can be seen when the animal opens its mouth. Hippos use their cannons for fight. Hippos are excellent swimmers. A pygmy hippo was much smaller than a river hippo. The animal weighs from 400 to 600 pounds, 180 to 270 kilograms. The hippo lives in eastern Africa. A hippo can run as fast as a human being. People have greatly reduced the number of hippos. Some farms have made croplands out of the hippo's homes. Hippos make up the hippo family. Scientists do not think that hippos have sharp eyes. They are able to see in the dark. A hippo has thick skin to protect them from predators. All hippos mark their territory with their poop. Hippos have very good hearing. This is a picture of where hippos live. This is a picture of a hippo that I drew. This is another picture of a hippo that I drew. This is another picture of where they live. This is a picture of a baby hippo that I drew. This is a picture of hippos cuddling. This is a picture of hippos fighting. I like your presentation better. Any more questions or comments, Isabella? Oh, I got inspired just because I really like hippos. And I asked him if he wanted to sing. Any more questions or comments? Sam, Sammy? I didn't really see what Charlie was doing. Any more questions or comments?
I really like your presentation. I have two questions. Do you know if hippos are related to pigs?
Yeah, they are.
And how long can hippos breathe underwater? I mean, not breathe, hold their breath underwater.
Oh, they can hold it for like 50 minutes, like 2 hours.
Well, first of all, I am so impressed with the facts. Jackson, your facts were completely different than Brody's facts. I learned so much about hippos. I love that you drew some of the pictures and that some of the pictures you had gotten printed. But the maps, I love looking at your maps, knowing exactly where I could go find a hippo in Africa. I love that. Now, Jackson, I have one question for you. How do you think scientists know that hippos don't see well? Do you have any ideas on how they figured that out? I thought that was just curious about the hippos and the eyesight. Gentlemen, job well done.